Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect custom actions to your GPT. Whether you're creating GPTs for your clients or for your own personal use, custom actions are great for GPTs as they allow you to connect automations to your GPT to make your task better or perform faster. Some examples of custom actions are lead capture, product recommendation, web scraping, and the list goes on and on. I'm going to be showing you how to create tools from these three really popular custom action platforms: Apify, Make.com, and Relevance.ai, so you can create really cool GPTs for yourself or for clients. If you're new to the channel, my name's Cody Cook, and if you could subscribe, it would be great. It would really help me out, help me produce more videos like this for you guys. Without further ado, let's just get straight in. First platform we're going to use is Make.com. I've created a simple lead capture automation that gets the user's name and email and sends it over to Airtable table. Okay. So we're going to use this schema here, and we are going to get another GPT to fill out all this information. This was created, I think his name is Chris Lannon. Oh, I actually got to, hang on, let me just fix the formatting of this real quick. Sweet. So yeah, the guy's name is Chris Lannon. He made this GPT action schema creator that creates custom actions for Make.com automations. So yeah, copy that, and then we'll click over to it. I'll have it in the description. Go over to GPT action schema creator, press that. You'll have to let it waffle on for a bit. All right, so first you want to describe what the automation is. And email. All right, so I'll just do that. Use this schema. Right, that's cool. So you want to do parameters because that is the data that we're going to get from the user, and in this case it'll be their name and email, and it's best to be just specific about it. It's easy, done. 2 parameters, name and email, sweet. Now we'll go back to our make automation, copy and paste this URL here, because that's how we're actually going to call the tool. Super important, webhook URL. I'm just going to do that. And then fill out the rest as best as you can. All right, while that's creating, I'll quickly explain a few things. So yeah, we want our webhook URL, we want our parameters here. It'll name the operation ID, and when you're prompting your GPT, you want to make sure that you tell the GPT to use the tool, and say the tool's name is whatever your operation ID is. So in this case, maybe we would call it send data, something like that, something super simple. And then yeah, you just mention it in the prompting, and same as the parameters as well, like store name in name parameter or store email in email parameter. Also make sure you have the correct number of parameters as well, because I made a schema where I needed 1 parameter, and in this template it has 2. So the GPT assumed to just fill out the second parameter. So you got to make sure that it's correct and really specify to only do parameter. And if it does make 2, you just say remove this parameter. So yeah, sweet. Cool. So we've got that done. What did he do? Oh, far out, man. It sometimes does this. Alright, really quick learning lesson that I didn't explain as I was doing this because I was focused on fixing it. So what's happened, sometimes the GPT waffles on about random things, and I noticed that it said fetch data from CRM, which is not true because we're trying to post data to the CRM. So I was just changing it so that the GPT schema maker understands that we are sending data to a CRM system. So that's all I've done, and yeah, go back to the tutorial. Cool, that's good. Make sure the descriptions are good, they're actually specific and related to what's happening. Yeah, so there we go. Copy that, go back to old mate here. Oh, that was something different. Cool. All right, so probably should change that to post. So we're sending things to that. I don't think it matters too much, to be honest, but just in case, we'll make sure that everything's all good. All right, so first you need to calibrate it. Go back to make, redetermine data structure, just say call tool, confirm. Let's see. All right, cool. I'm just gonna set this up real quick. Name, email. I don't know what the hell this is. This is a previous thing that I was doing before, but it's all good. All right, save. All right, call tool. Hold up. Yeah, make sure you turn your. All right. Well, I'm gonna hope that it actually. Okay, no, you know what? It's fine. It's okay. It's gonna create some dummy data. Cool. Let's see what it sent over. Taylor Adams. Sweet. And then, yeah, cool. It's worked. It's great. It's sent over Taylor Adams to our Airtable base. One thing I should have mentioned earlier is that, yeah, cool. It's been sent. I was nearly worried there for a sec. I was just looking at it. The suspense was killing me. Yeah, cool. That's all good. I don't know what the hell is happening over here. So the reason that we wanted these parameters for this example is because this table has name and email, and yeah, done. Sweet. Obviously, you can add as much as you want. This is just an example. So yeah, that's how you can connect your make.com automation to any GPT. One thing I did forget to mention is to add the privacy policy URL. And super simple, you just search out make.com, privacy policy, same with relevance and Appify as well. And if you've been doing this for a while like I have, it'll already have it loaded here for you. So super simple, just paste it in. I don't have the schema here anymore, but so it's all good. You just chuck it in there, it's fine. Because if you don't, GPT will be like, oh, what, you need this privacy policy URL, and then it'll also stop you from putting it on the GPT store if you ever want to do that. Yeah, so done. Just put the privacy URL in, sweet. Next tool is relevance.com, and this is a lot more simple. So very straightforward process. All right, so we'll just go ahead and do this real quick. As mentioned before, privacy policy. And yeah, cool. So this is our tool, IG outreach, message creator. I don't even know why I'm in here. Doesn't matter. All right, cool. So you'll see this, got all your tools here that you've been doing, and you can find a bunch of tools and templates here. I know there's got agent templates, tool templates. So you've got knowledge retrieval, heaps of stuff here. Summarize LinkedIn profile. But yeah, we'll be using the IG outreach message creator. And what we need to do is press custom actions, follow along here, select the one we want, which is this one. First is to scroll past past that one, go to number 4 here. OpenAI schema, copy that back to our GPT, paste, and it's in string format. It'll still work. Still work, it's all good. Go back here, it's number 3. Now we want to do custom auth because that is how we'll actually be able to connect it. And for some reason, and when I was doing this, I would always get frustrated because I'd see the tutorials and I'm doing everything right, but I kept selecting basic auth. So do custom auth. Don't pull your hairs out like I was. Copy that authorization token. And we'll add authentication, API key, paste that in there. Custom authorization. Sweet. Done. Now let's test it. Oh, get out of here. Hope it sends dummy data. It should. Yeah, it did. That's great. Cool. So, and we got our response. So, yeah, response data, output, success code 200. If you see success code 200, it means that it's worked. If you see anything, any 400s didn't work, 500 is a server error. So 500 is nothing you do about. Yeah, that's great. We got 200 success code. And yeah, that's done with relevance. Last one, we're gonna go ahead to Appify and connect one of the tools from here to our GPT. Yeah, I'll include all the sign up links. It's really simple to sign up to these platforms. Also, little disclaimer, I'm gonna move over to Discord because too early in this stage to do school. Like, it's $100 a month. Actually, 147 because I'm in Australia. So no, waste of money at this stage. No one's really joined yet. So Discord, it's free. Heaps of people use it anyway. I think school is kind of overhyped. I mean, it is pretty good, but like, I still feel like it's overhyped. Like, Discord is just as good, I reckon. Yeah, it's just so they can get you to sign up to shit, and then, yeah, it's just so they can get you to be in a paid community. That's all it is. School is over. Okay, there's my rant on school. Let's just focus on this. Yeah, so this one will use TikTok video scraper. Cool, let's go to API, OpenAI specification, copy that, go back to our GPT. You don't really need to do instructions when you're just testing tools out. It'll send dummy data anyway, but obviously when you're making an actual GPT, you are going to want to prompt it to be like, oh, use this operation and store this data into this variable, all that cool stuff. Create new action, bang, active. Let's actually go to, where's Appify? There we go. Privacy policy. Yeah, so we'll change that to what it says down there, 0.1, 0.0. Cool, Dunskies. Formatted nicely, very, very nice here. And we will need to add an API key. So, actually first we'll go to Appify. Go back here, go to settings here, API and integrations, personal API tokens, copy that, back to the assistant, authentication, API key, paste that in there, and we'll click bearer because it needs that for some reason. Anyway, let's go ahead and test it. Fine. While we wait, I'll explain benefits of Appify. Good thing about Appify is that so many people have made all these different tools. And I mean, there is pricing model, and the free version is quite limited, but the pricing model is just cooked. It goes from like free to $50. then $200 a month and $300 a month. It's really strange. I'll show you guys. Yeah, 0 a month, 49 a month, 500 a month. Oh, damn. I didn't realize how far it jumps. A lot of technical terms you don't really need to know about. Yeah, someone will leave. Yeah, no, it's great because there's heaps of different scraping tools. And scraping tools are hard to make, man. But yeah, no, there's heaps of cool things like Instagram scraper, Facebook post scraper. Yeah, great. A lot of great cool tools. Got them in categories here. And yeah, heaps of really smart people just put on all these different tools. You can try it yourself. Let's see what happened here. Oh my days, what the heck happened here? Yeah, sweet. So it sent over some dummy data, I believe. Oh no, that's the calling one. Yeah, my bad. Calling. Yeah, cool. So it's done the Appify. They've shamelessly plugged in their own TikTok account. So yeah, that's a dummy. Oh yeah, Appify has example data already in their tools. So yeah, sweet. Cool. Response received, and yeah, we got our big ass response here. Obviously 200 code, always good. And yeah, obviously, like yeah, profile URL. That was the one we saw before here. Yeah, so there we go. That is So today showed you guys how to connect Make.com, Relevance AI, and Appify automations to your GPTs. Go ahead and try it yourselves. See what works. Fail, experiment, and succeed. Obviously, Discord community coming soon. I'll have all the video resources in there, and sign up links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next. Yeah, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. If you need to find the video resources, go ahead and check out the Discord. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.